Hello student, how are you? Fine. Okay. Today I am discuss with you about the economics. What is the meaning of the economics and how can we understand about the economics? First of all, we consider economics as a systematic process. Economics is a systematic process. That means economics is a system who provides people the means to work and earn a living. Economics is the system which provide people to means or to work and earn money for life. All the organizations like factory, shop, office, business enterprises, transportations, all are the parts of the economics who involve in undertaking three economic activities. All these types of the organizations involved in there are three types of the activities. First activity is production, second is consumption, and the third is the capital formation, that means related to the investment. Collectively, when study the all three are called economy, or it is framework within which the economic activities of the production, consumptions, and the capital formations are undertaking. These types of the activities are related to the economics activity. Basically, economics include all the productions units in a defined areas which are providing a people with the means to work and earn and money. All the productive areas, it's a provide to the work, it's provide to the means of the work and help to the earn money. So economic activities is related to the monetary activities. When we consider the economics as a social science, what's the happen? It is a social science of the human behavior. When we study as a social science, it's a study the human behavior which aim is allocated to the scarce resources in which a way that the consumer can maximize their satisfaction. Productions can maximize their profit. A producer productions and the producers can maximize their profit, and the societies can maximize their welfare, and the customer that's a maximize her satisfaction. So all the activities is related to the complete increases the satisfactions, increases the profit, and increases the social welfare. So economics is also called the social activities. When we consider the Professor Robbins' thoughts according to the society, the economics is a science which study a human behavior as a relationship between ends and the scarce means which have alternative use. Also, the Professor Robbins introduced the relationship between the economics to the human. It is the study of the human behavior, who study about the human behavior, responsibilities, work, performance, profits, and etc. etc. and create the relationship, the end of the scars. How can a people use the goods? Because our goods are limited and wants are unlimited. So how can a people complete her maximum satisfactions through the scarce goods and resources? So other things is economics is an analysis which study behaviors of the individual. That's when we thought about the economics, what's he do the individual activity, individual performance and analysis. So it's called the micro and when he study all the societies, all the countries, that's called the macroeconomics. So I think we understand about the concept of the economics. Next class we are discuss the meaning of the scarcity and the other topics. So thank you, meet you next day. Okay.